Hi, I'm Lindsay and I'm going to talk to you about the NEXUS steam oven. This one here is the dual fuel version in black. The oven is also available with an induction top in ivory, slate or stainless steel. This product features a variety of gas burners, a multi-zone griddle, a glide-out grill, a multifunction oven, a steam cavity and a proving drawer. The NEXUS Steam features an easy to clean glass fascia. The control dial over here is for the grill cavity. This section here is an electronic control for the multifunction oven. This section here controls all of the burners on the top. The electronic control panel here is for the steam cavity. And the final control dial is for the proving drawer. The steam cavity can be used for a variety of different foods. The benefits of cooking with steam include retaining moisture and nutrients in food and helping food not to dry out when it's reheated. Steam is a very gentle cooking process. A variety of foods can be cooked inside the cavity and it's very easy to use. The steam cavity comes with 3 shelves. A wire shelf, which can be used for placing pots and pans and tins on. A baking tray, which can be used to put meat and fish. And also a perforated tray, which can be used for vegetables and fish and meat. To operate the steam cavity, we first need to add some water. The water reservoir is located in the top of the appliance here. If we pull out the reservoir, we open the lid to add the water. It will take around a litre of water. Once the water's been added, we close the lid, then we need to push the water reservoir back into position and hear an audible click. The steam cavity is really versatile, and to show that, we've got some bao buns and some sweet corn on this tray. And on this tray, we've got some frozen falafel, some chocolate pots, and we're going to reheat some pulled pork. In order to cook the food, we need to set the time and the temperature. To turn the cavity on, we press and hold the on-off switch. The default setting is 100 degrees for 15 minutes. The food that we've prepared will only take 8 minutes to cook, so we need to change the time. We do this by pressing the clock here. And then we can press the minus sign to change the time to 8 minutes. Once we've done that, then we just need to hit the play button. If we press play and we see this symbol, H2O out, it means that water is being taken and filled into the tank at the back of the steam cavity. We need to allow this cycle to finish before we can press play again to start the cooking process. Before the cavity starts cooking, it will ask you to check the water level, and you can see that on the symbol here, so CH, H2O. We just need to tell it we're ready to go, we've put the water in, and now we can press play to cook. Once we've checked the water and pressed play, the temperature will be displayed and the time. When these 2 symbols here start flashing, that means the time has started to count down. We can check where the temperature is up to by pressing the temperature button. Ensure the play button is fully illuminated. If this is flashing, it means the oven is paused. Open the door carefully, step to the side and allow the steam to escape. After cooking has finished, some steam and condensation may be on the fascia panel, but this is perfectly fine. If you'd like to cook again and you see H2O hot, then you can simply press the plus button to revert back to the starting mode. Press and hold to turn the cavity on. It will automatically default to a steam setting. To access the other settings, use the plus symbol. This is the descale, and this is the grill. The grill inside the steam cavity is really powerful and it comes on immediately as soon as the door is closed. To access the preset functions, use this button here. Press and hold to get the different ones. More information about these functions and what they do can be found in the user guide. The multifunction oven is controlled from the electronic panel here. Push and hold to turn the oven on. It's automatically set for fanned cooking at 180 degrees. To change the temperature, press and hold the temperature symbol and then use the plus and minus button to change the temperature. As you can see, the temperature goes in single increments, so it's accurate to within 1 degree. To change the fanned function to another function, tap the display to change to the different ones. For more information, refer to the user guide. The fanned grill is a really versatile function. Here we're going to put an indoor barbecue inside the grill. We've got burgers and sausages, chicken and kebabs, and we're using the grill tray and placing it inside there at 180 degrees, and that'll take around 15 minutes to cook. The multifunction oven comes with 2 telescopic shelves. This makes it really easy to check on the food. The conventional setting has an exposed element in the top of the oven, so be careful when placing food using this function. It's perfect though for baking bread.